Guys, was that already the final low here that we saw now in Bitcoin? Or are we just fake pumping right now and we will actually head into lower levels? That is something that I want to talk about today. And I have a crazy project I want to share with you guys that I think can perform really well here in the immediate short term and also long term. So now let's get here straight into the Bitcoin chart. So here on the Bitcoin chart, we saw after this massive move here to the downside, all the way from the new all-time high at $69,000, that we went all the way down to $55,800. So, and that was from the all-time high here to the all-time low, almost a 20% move, so which is a healthy correction in the bull market. So, and we are obviously still in a bull market, so we could have gotten actually even lower. We are normally used in the bull market to like 25 to 38% correction. So a 20% correction is already pretty decent. So, and obviously also nice if we bottomed out here and continue now here to go to the upside. So what I would like to see to confirm that this was here now the low for this downwards move is that we reclaim the $61,000 area and the $64,000 area. So these two areas I would like to see flipped again, because there is now obviously some resistance from here, from there. So we were having support before. So if we go a little bit further back, then also here, there it was resistance. So here it was resistance. So there's a lot of resistance sitting right now. So and I want to see that the Bitcoin price comes up, breaks through this, forms new support, and then moves here into higher levels once again. So as you have seen yesterday, it seems like that I was right. The shakeout seems to be in the immediate short term to be over. So all the weekends have sold out. And because of that, we saw here this move here back to the upside. But I also think that it had something to do with the news that they were coming out with PayPal tapping further in the Bitcoin space, and also Twitter announcing their decentralized Bitcoin exchange. So then also on the daily chart, so what I would like to see on the daily chart would here also a reclimb of the $63,500 area, so that we're above our upward sloping support line here once again. So, and otherwise for now, it looks a little bit ugly, but we could have technically formed here this M pattern. So, and obviously we don't want to see this playing out, because that would bring us down to $46,650. So do I believe that this is playing out? No, I don't think so actually right now, because we got a strong bounce here from the $55,600 area. So, and that was due to here, this zone here. So that was the prior floor for the prior all-time high region here. So, and that was acting now as a strong support, and that's why we're seeing here a nice move back. So there's not much say in terms of Bitcoin, so we have to lean a little bit back and to see what's happening. There are a lot of things pointing to that today should be an up day in the market, and that we should continue to go higher here. Especially historically, we have always seen towards the end of November in a bull market, Bitcoin starts to perform really well. So, and obviously the next couple of days will show you if that actually is holding true. So now I want to get to the sponsored part of the video. So, and the sponsored project is something that I actually looking into to invest myself. So this is not financial advice, but it is such an amazing project that I really thinking about right now to invest myself into this. So this project is called Polkalokr. So, and what Polkalokr is doing, they are the one-to-go solution for everything token related, for projects for all kind of shape and sizes. So, and they have products and services that are designed to enhance the trust and also transparency and simplicity for projects and individuals in the crypto space. So they want to avoid rug pulls with the solutions, no exit scams, no more spontaneous changing in the vesting process. So you get your token on time every time that you would use Polkalokr to set up your project. So now they have different ways and different solutions that they're offering. So here for individuals, for example, they have pools and liquidity mining options. So here you can see they have a certain amount allocated for your AscendEX. Then they have your liquidity mining, which is all live. So the other staking things here, they are already done. They have ended. But the really interesting thing is in their business solutions that they actually have. So let me go into this. So they have, for example, a minter. So, and the minter is a token minting solution. So you don't need to hire devs anymore to write complex smart contracts, pay for audits and go through the token generation event. So this process normally takes weeks and costs a lot of money. So and with with Polkalokr, with their minter, it allows users to mint their own token on Ethereum, on the Binance chain, and also on Polygon through their interface. So the minter is built also in collaboration with Haken. So and that is really interesting because Haken is one of the best auditing companies out there. Let me try to see if I can find this here right now. Is it here written somewhere on the website? So let me see. Yeah, about, so here, trust, the team. So here you have also the team. So you have the advisors. So here investors. So I think here somewhere was Haken. Okay, I cannot find it right now here on the website, but I know in the Medium article. So if you go down to the page, here all the way down to the page, and you go to Medium, there you can find actually an article also from Haken themselves that they are cooperating with Polkalokr on this project. So let's see here, adoption, no. Okay, let's go back here. Oh, sorry guys. So I want to go back here, business. So then, with Haken on board, with one of the world-leading auditing companies, you can be sure that the code is solid and they are not easy hackable. So and that obviously gives a lot of trust from the user side into this project. So because the contracts, they are safe and secure and audited with their reports. So and that applies to all minting projects. And they will be actually also featured on the Haken's website. So that gives projects also even more exposure when they go through a minting process here on Minter, on the Polkalokr. So then they have also the Bridger. So that is about to launch really soon in the next coming weeks. It's right now in the testnet phase. So and what the Bridger allows you to do is that it's a white label cross-chain bridge. So you can go with a single token and go multi-chain with the Bridger in literally a couple of minutes. So the Bridger, each bridge is hosted on its own server for an instance. So and that has also its unique encryption, which enhances then security and the performance of the project, which is obviously really important. So and you can not only go from one token to from one token chain to a multiple token chain. You can also use to create tokens on a new chain at the same time. So and within a few minutes you have a project that comes from a single chain, let's say from Ethereum, ERC20, BEP20 and Matic token to a multi-chain solution. So and that is something that has not seen the space yet. So I think they're the first one doing this, so which is pretty amazing. So then they have a built-in price oracle. So for the cost of claim and charges the user upfront in the tokens. So and the second version is also introducing bridge mining, so where fees collected on Bridger will distributed to the LOKR stakers. So if you are staking the native token of Polkalokr and the stakers stake LOKR and get rewarded in multiple coins, multiple tokens that are on the bridge. So then the next solution that they have here is the LOKR. So and now, for example, you have minted your token and you have and you are ready to launch. So then hold on to your head, and it's absolutely about to get wild. So this is the one of the busiest periods in each project cycle, and the launch can make a break project before it even gets off the ground. So now the LOKR is so a high customizable multi-chain token locking platform. So and that is designed with the end user in mind. User can create complex token release models within a few clicks. So and the LOKR takes advantage of the largest development in blockchain technology. So and through integration with the oracles, it allows users to create event-driven distribution models. So and that is really interesting. So because these LOKR periods, they are many times really complicated. You have always to think about, okay, if I sell this amount in the seed round and this amount in the A round and this in the B round, and then I go public. So how I handle the different lockup periods, the vesting periods. So and here you have a solution, a turnkey solution that takes all this stress directly from you away. So and it's done within a couple of clicks. So and the other nice thing about is the LOKR dashboard has a simple and intuitive interface, so it's really easy to use, and that will enable you to monitor your project token emission and track their portfolios really easy. And it can also be used to lock and distribute tokens and NFTs, so not only tokens but also the NFTs. So then the last solution that they have is a swapper. So and the swapper is smart and customer P2P escrow platform, so that removes the middleman and allows users to trade directly with one another through the safe and transparent smart contracts that are on the Polkalokr swapper. So they can also trade NFTs directly within the swapper marketplace. So and they can define whether they want the swap to be instant or event based on the Oracle feed. So then the tokenomics, when we want to talk about this here on Polkalokr, let me get to this. So here we can see the tokenomics, the summary. So you see here the total supply is 100 million lockers. So the hard cap is 1.1 million. So and here when we zoom in, so yeah, in the private sale we're 20% allocated. So then public sale 2%. So the total was 22%. So and they were raising funds, the 1.1 million. They were sold out, I think, within the first week, which is insane. So it was attended really quick. So that hard cap to further develop this project. So and it is still in a really early stage. So and I think that this can be something that will add so much value to the space, so that price-wise the token can actually go through the roof. And that's why I'm looking personally into this, because I think that is something that we can really need in the blockchain space that has a lot of utility and will further innovate the space. So now since the 5th of November, since they have launched, they have distributed approximately already 450,000 lockers per week. So and there has been already a reduction in sell pressure because of that. So and that has also reflected in the token price. So and then if we want to give here a little bit of further development, so what's going to happen here in the next couple of months with Polkalokr, so they gonna be on PancakeSwap, they are gonna be on QuickSwap on Polygon. The Minter mainnet will launch, so and the LOKR MVP will be on the testnet, and also the Bridger mainnet will be live in the next 2 weeks actually. So and if we go now to the team, so that we know also a little bit more about the team here. So there are really people here on the team, they know what they are doing. So here, for example, Imran is a really nice guy. I talked with him. So he is a multi-technology consult with over 10 years already in the industry. So on enterprise level experience. So he's leading the technical teams. So and he has a proven track record of complex multi-tiered, multi-platform solutions for his clients. So and also Anis. So here he is a computer science graduate from City University with over 12 years in experience. So, and yeah, is basically the architect of that project. So here you have a well vetted team that has created a really amazing project. So I definitely can recommend you to check this out. Go to the pinned comment below. There you'll find all the links to the project. So, and like I said, I'm fully transparent, so this was sponsored, but I'm really interested in that project myself to get more involved with this in the future. So, and I will also disclose what amount I bought and when I'm going to buy in this project. So once I did this, I will tell you guys. So now let's get here quick also in Ethereum before we're wrapping it up. So here in Ethereum, we saw also now here price recovery after this W shape here. So now we are getting to the neckline of it. So neckline is not broken yet. So, and if we measure this, if we would break it the neckline, so then we should expect Ethereum go back to 4,500 and no, 4,400. Wait, 1 second. No, $4,652. Sorry, guys. So $4,652. That would be the price target once we are breaking here above $4,300. So we are like 1% away from that. So Ethereum could easily manage to break here above this. So if we don't do this, then we could see maybe one more retest here at $4,200 before and a little bit consolidation before we see the next leg to the upside in Ethereum. Guys, and if you want to take advantage of this volatile market, don't forget there's still a lot of bonuses available on Bybit and on Phemex. There's $4,100 right now on Bybit and also $4,100 on Phemex available with the links in the pinned comment below. They're only for you guys, only for my community. So go and claim your bonuses. Other than that, please smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. And guys, you know the drill. I will see you tomorrow.